Good morning, family. This is Ned with Symphony Journey. Well, guys, I am in the Holiday Inn Express in Katy. I got the room yesterday evening because they was working on my car. Let me show you how nice this is. Look, they got the Dove hand wash and the body lotion. I had the pleasure to soak that this morning and last night. And look at here. Yeah, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I like this, very nice place. So, this is my last hotel stay for now. I will probably be back in Houston sometime next month, not really sure. Y'all, this first bed was my napping bed when I got in. This was my sleeping bed last night. Yeah, it's very, very nice room. Yeah, this is what I looked out last night when I'm on the fourth floor at the Holiday Inn Express Plus. And y'all, the breakfast was just divine. They had really good breakfast, all kind of stuff to choose from. You know, when I come stay at these places, I want some of the breakfast. I can get up early, grab me some food, and head out. Seven Spice Cajun Seafood. I didn't go over there. Mika's Hawaii Barbecue. Milka, yeah, Hawaii Barbecue. I didn't go anywhere last night because I'd already had some food, and I just didn't go anywhere. So yeah, I'm getting ready to load my car up. It's about 10. It's 9:34. Which checkout time 11 o'clock. But I'm ready to get on the road, so I got to go back to my storage place and pick up some stuff. I got to go back and pick up a few things that I left in the storage and leave the storage unlocked because I will not be back by the end of the month to close the storage out. And I'm just going to leave it unlocked, take my lock off of it, and I'm not going to tell them I'm going into the end of the month. That storage place, Public Storage on Hayes Road, they are a hot mess. The females didn't want to leave the ladies' restroom open at all. They didn't want to share the bathroom with the women at all. And we up in there doing things, straight out, or whatever we have to do. That's a public place. Both of those restrooms should be open to male and female. But they did not want to share their restroom with us. This is a lady doing something. I don't know what she's doing, but she's making something. And so I'm going to complain. Once I move up out of there and everything, I'm going to complain, go on Google and complain about the U-Haul place, how they kept the female restroom locked because they didn't want to share it and always lying about something's wrong with that restroom. There's nothing wrong with that restroom. They just didn't want to share it with the other women. I actually got into an argument with one of the workers about having the female restroom open. I'm not a man. I don't want to go in there and use the restroom behind a man. It's like it's ongoing with those people. So I can't wait to file my complaint because I'm going to file a good complaint against the public storage on Hayes Road. I think it's 2705 Hayes Road. Yeah. So I'm going to file a complaint. Hi guys. Yep, it's time for me to head on to my new home state, Louisiana. I've been here in Houston every bit of 40 years, and I'm ready. I'm ready to slow down. I'm ready to slow down a bit, and I will be doing some traveling and stuff like that. But I am feeling a little emotional this morning again, because I know that all my things are now in Louisiana, all my belongings in Louisiana. So now, this is farewell for me. Leaving Houston is farewell. It's like bye. And I've been waiting for this moment for quite some time. Now it's here. And naturally, for a person to be emotional, I've been here 40 years. It's natural. I'm going to leave some good friends behind. These guys that helped me pack up. One guy came down and drove the van for me. Kendrick and Carlton will be truly missed because I communicate with them week after week all the time. And they will be missed because we always chatting, we eat together, we talk, and so I will truly miss my buddies, and also thankful that they did uh, help me move. But I asked them in advance. They said, "Yeah, we help you," and of course I bless them for helping me because the money is much needed for them, and I didn't mind doing that at all because I appreciate them. Because either way I go, if I have to hire professional movers, I will have to pay them. So I just made it my business to bless them for helping me out. And yeah, I told them I'll probably be back sometime next month because I got some appointments I need to take care of. I just don't feel like I want to give myself some time to get away from things right now. Kind of wind down pretty much so where I don't feel like I have to get on the road, where I have to come back take care of my car. I had doctor's appointment, and I had to get my stuff. So this week has been a truly busy week. Y'all, when I got in this room yesterday, let me tell you what, I was exhausted. The guy said, we think we can have your car ready about 5 o'clock. And I had already made my mind, maybe about noon. I went here on and booked a hotel. I said, I am not going to travel. I'm going to go to the room and get some rest. So he brought me over here to the room. And y'all, I got in the bed, put my jammies on, got in the bed, and I put the window shades down where you couldn't see no light, and I left it by it. He called me. He said, the car's ready. I said, well, just leave it there till the morning. I'll get it till tomorrow. Get it tomorrow morning. So he's called me back. He said, well, Miss Holmes, I'm going to get someone to bring me over here. I'm going to drop your car off. I said, okay then. He said, because you may want to go out somewhere and get something to eat. I was not planning on going nowhere because I was exhausted. I had a little food left over from lunch. I saved that for dinner. And that's what I ate. And I did not leave out the room until this morning going for breakfast. After I got the car, he did bring the car. So I had to go down and get the keys and stuff. So I was good. But yeah, this is my last night in Houston as a Texas resident. Yeah, because all my belongings out in Louisiana. So, well, fam, I'm not going to keep y'all much longer, but this is Never Simply Me Journey, and it is about your journey. Y'all be blessed. Have an awesome day. Y'all take care. Travel. Enjoy your life. Don't be so busy working, trying to make money, and not at peace and not happy. Find your happy space and be there in your happy space no matter what. Your happy space is very, very important. I'm going to put some more mascara on my eyes. I had to buy some mascara. I hadn't had mascara about a month or so. So I went by the, I think it's called Euphorium. No. It's another place. Ultra. So I went by Ultra and got some mascara the other day. Because I was completely out. All right, family. This is Maddie saying farewell to Houston, Texas. I am on my way up out of here for good. Hallelujah. All right, fam. Love you guys. Take care. And it's about your journey. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and share my content. Y'all be blessed.